Right when you let me peek into your world for the first time, I knew I wanted to be part of it. The more I got to know you, the more that feeling grew and grew until I knew I wanted that feeling forever. I promised you that I will always be the same man that you met and that you fell in love with. I promised you that I will be there to help you be the best you in anything you want. I love you with all my heart, and I can't wait to spend every day the rest of my life with you. You are my person.
My best friend, my lover, my partner. Being with you has been the easiest choice I ever made. It almost wasn't even an option. Being with you is so comfy. You are my home. You are my family. I love you as everything you are beyond a doubt. We jumped headfirst into this life together, and it was the best decision I ever made. There was no one more fitting for me to work through life's ups and downs with. Life with you was the greatest adventure, and it's only just begun. I promise to listen to your sports stories, even though I have no idea what most of it even is. I promise to be the best wife I can be and give you all you deserve. I'm so proud to be your wife.